Hey there, future graduates, it's Bill Nye here, and guess what? You're about to embark on an exciting adventure, your final year project. Think of it as the grand finale of your academic journey, a chance to showcase all the amazing knowledge and skills you've gained. This project is your opportunity to dive deep into a topic you're passionate about and make a real impact. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a final year project? Well, it's a substantial piece of independent work that you'll undertake during your final year of studies. It's a chance to apply everything you've learned to a real-world problem or research question. This project allows you to demonstrate your critical thinking, problem-solving, and research skills. It's a testament to your ability to work independently and manage a complex project from start to finish. But it's not just about showing off what you know. Your final year project is also an incredible opportunity for personal and professional growth. You'll develop valuable research skills, learn to manage your time effectively, and become a master at problem solving. These skills are essential for success in any field, whether you're planning to pursue further education or enter the workforce. Just like the universe, the world of final year projects is full of endless possibilities. Your project can take many forms depending on your interests and field of study. Let's explore some of the most common types. First up, we have research-based projects. If you're a curious mind who loves to explore the unknown, this might be the perfect fit for you. These projects involve conducting in-depth research on a specific topic, analyzing data, and drawing meaningful conclusions. You might choose to investigate a scientific phenomenon, delve into historical archives, or explore a social issue. Next, we have design and development projects. Are you a creative thinker with a knack for innovation? Then get ready to design and build something amazing. This type of project involves creating a new product, system, or process. You might develop a mobile app, design a sustainable energy solution, or create a piece of art. Now let's talk about problem-solving projects. These projects focus on addressing a real-world problem. You'll identify a problem, analyze its root causes, and develop innovative solutions. This could involve anything from improving healthcare delivery to reducing plastic waste. And finally, we have interdisciplinary projects, which combine elements from multiple fields of study. These projects are perfect for those who love to think outside the box and explore the connections between different disciplines. You might choose to investigate the impact of climate change on human health or explore the intersection of art and technology. Ready to launch your project into the stratosphere of success? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process. Step 1. Choose your destination, aka your topic. The first step is choosing a topic that ignites your passion and aligns with your interests. Think about the subjects you've enjoyed the most during your studies and any areas you'd love to explore further. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and consider unconventional topics. Step 2. Fuel up with research. Once you've chosen your topic, it's time to fuel up your rocket with research. Dive into academic journals, books, and reputable online sources to gather as much information as possible. The more you know about your topic, the stronger your project will be. Step 3. Chart your course with a proposal. Before you blast off, you'll need to create a detailed project proposal. This document outlines your research question, methodology, timeline, and expected outcomes. Think of it as your flight plan, guiding you through the entire project. Step 4. Time to implement. With your proposal approved, it's time for the most exciting part, implementation. This is where you'll put your plan into action and conduct your research, design your product, or develop your solution. Step 5. Analyze and report your findings. Once you've completed your project, it's time to analyze your findings and draw meaningful conclusions. What did you discover? Did your results support your hypothesis? Document everything carefully and prepare a comprehensive report. Step 6. Share your discoveries with the world. The final step is to share your hard work with the world. This might involve giving a presentation, writing a dissertation, or creating a website. Be proud of what you've accomplished and share your insights with confidence. Your final year project is much more than just another assignment. It's a cosmic accomplishment that will have a lasting impact on your academic and professional journey. Here's why. First and foremost, your project demonstrates your ability to apply your knowledge and skills to a real-world context. This is essential for success in any field, as employers and graduate schools are looking for graduates who can think critically and solve complex problems. Secondly, your project helps you develop valuable transferable skills such as research, project management, and communication. These skills are highly sought after by employers across all industries. And finally, your final year project is an opportunity to make a real difference in the world. By tackling a challenging problem or exploring an innovative idea, you can contribute to your field of study and potentially make a positive impact on society.